superbloom is a natural phenomenon that occurs when the heat and the rain in the desert are just right. It happens maybe every 5 to 10 years when the hills become just filled with blooms, so much that you can see them from space.
For the whole team, from architects to designers, it has been such an exciting experience to work on this and bring it to life so quickly, but especially because we were able to touch on a fully immersive experience. We're music lovers, we love fragrances, we love coffee, and to be able to bring that to a project has been so special.
We wanted to bring here some of the same multisensorial aspects of this beautiful natural environment.
One of the things about RIOS's interdisciplinary approach is that ideas can come from anywhere. A graphic designer might have an idea about sound, or an architectural designer might have an idea about illustration. And once we've decided what the concept is, the whole team lends all of their talents into making it happen.
You know, Superbloom in Milan is just like the Superbloom in LA. It's a fleeting experience. You can walk through and have a peaceful moment to yourself, or you can bring a friend and get a great photo out of it.
Superbloom is a playful exhibit about color and sound and sense and light and movement. And we really hope people will come here and just lose themselves for a moment, forget where they are, and just feel something different.